Ben's new hat. Level 1. Read with me. Ben has a new hat. It is blue. He wears it to the park. The wind blows. "Oh no," says Ben. "The hat flies away." Ben runs. The hat stops near a tree. Ben picks it up. "I got my hat," he says.